JP Concrete Cutting and Drilling was established in 2006 and is one of South Australia's leading small businesses. The company specialises in commercial, industrial and residential concrete cutting and drilling work and is a recognised leader in setting standards of excellence in this competitive industry sector. The professional team at JP Concrete Cutting and Drilling prides itself on consistently exceeding their customers' expectations and providing efficient and prompt service at all times. One of the company's main aims is to maintain and further develop long-term customer relationships in order to provide them with the most innovative and technically advanced products and services available on the market today. As a leader in concrete cutting and drilling, JP has all relevant occupational health, safety and welfare requirements in place and regularly maintains its vast array of company policies, including environmental policies and plant and equipment policies. This ensures best practice and the provision of outstanding service. All employees are fully trained and experienced in all aspects of concrete cutting and drilling and meet all industry standards and requirements. JP Concrete Cutting and Drilling is operated by a team of skilled and experienced personnel who understand the complexities of concrete maintenance services, including concrete cutting, sawing, road sawing, breaking, grinding, reinstatement, core drilling, handheld and hydraulic sawing, bollard and sign installations and general maintenance. One of the aspects that makes JP to stand out from their competitors is being able to attend to most requirements within a 2-hour period, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The professional management team at JP Concrete Cutting and Drilling has over 12 years' experience in local government and council works. This puts the company in good stead to provide their clients with an intimate understanding of their requirements and in-house knowledge of what it takes to complete jobs on time and within budget. To complement their local government and council experience, JP Concrete Cutting and Drilling work with a vast array of commercial builders and contractors and have completed work on many of South Australia's most prominent buildings. So if it's a one-stop solution provider you're seeking, then JP Concrete Cutting and Drilling is the company for you.